Hey good people, welcome to MommyRoomREDO, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we'll show you the 8 best websites for home decor and more. If you're ready to shop nonstop, stay tuned. Was created by a mother of 3 just like me. The blog was launched in 2008 to showcase money-saving ideas. The site has expanded to include the latest deals, coupons, shopping tips, and more. The site also offers freebies, DIYs, and recipes. Save your favorite deals on the site's hit list. Enjoy the savings. Whoop, there it is! Whoop.com is a site that showcases daily deals on home decor and more. It's owned by Amazon.com, so Prime members get free shipping. Deals on Woot are often smoking hot, especially during the flash sales where there are new promotions hourly. Check it out.
Site number 6.
Site number 6 is ClarkDeals.com. It's a team of folks that scour the internet for daily deals, coupons, and promos. Perhaps the biggest deal here is the large selection of the site's newsletters. Sign up and you can rack up those savings right from your inbox. DealNews.com features a long list of home and garden bargains. Search by product type, category, or keyword to get the best deals. While the site's clean appearance and user-friendly interface are a big plus, the blogs on the site are golden. They feature general information as well as specific shopping tips for each product category.
GotADeal.com allows you to easily customize your deal by product, retailer, and shipping. The site features deals of the day and coupons from various retailers including Lowe's, Sam's Club, Wayfair, and Amazon. You'll also see forums and message boards for customers.
Hey guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, and make sure you comment down below ideas that you have for us to try on our home.
SlickDeals.com allows you to set up alerts so you'll never miss a deal again. You can customize your alert by keyword, store, brand, or category. Or select a predetermined deal alert like home improvement. Deal Catchers allows you to catch those deals from your favorite household retailers. The site houses in-store printable coupons, store circulars, and special offers. It features a comprehensive offering of product deals that you may or may not find anywhere else. Deal.com is my #1 pick. It's the first place I go when I'm looking for home decor and more. The site has a clean layout, a menu that's easy to navigate, and a search functionality driven by keywords. Deals are hand-picked by real people who share their views on each offering. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.